Mung bean sprout. It's very easy if you follow these steps. 1 cup mung beans. Water till cover the beans. Soak 12 hours. After 12 hours, rinse the beans. I will use a strainer to sprout the beans. Rinse the beans under water, and always keep the bowl under the strainer. Use wet towel to cover the beans. After 12 hours, Day 1. The mung beans are started to sprout. Then again rinse it under running water. Wet the towel to cover the bean sprout. Cover with wet towel and keep for 12 hours. Day 2. Second day sprouts are getting longer. Again repeat the same process. Rinse the sprouts. Cover with wet towel. Whenever you feel that the towel is dry, you can make it wet and cover it. Day 3. Rinse the sprouts. Cover with wet towel. Day 4. Wow! Sprouts are more longer. For me, this length is enough to use. Finally, it's ready for favorite recipes. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Bye.